Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to study the new lesson Creep and Crawl. In this chapter, let us learn about insects around us, the places where insects live, useful insects and harmful insects. And last point is how spiders catch and eat insects. Let us learn. First, we will start with I think. Rajat found a small, green, creeping animal on a leaf in the garden. He wants to know about that animal. Do you know its name? Yes, the small, creeping animal Rajat found in the garden is a caterpillar. Children, did you see the caterpillar? Yes, look at the caterpillar. It has many legs. We see many such animals in and around our house. Do you know their names? Which animal it is? Yes, ant. This is a ant. And look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a housefly. Then cockroach, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito. Children, how they are looking? Yes, they are looking very small. These small animals are called insects. They creep and crawl. Insects ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ ತೆವಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. They creep and crawl. And they have 6 legs. Children, some insects have wings and they can fly. What are those insects? Yes, those are butterfly, bee, mosquito, and so on. Ants and termites are example of insects which cannot fly. Children, ants ಮತ್ತು ಟರ್ಮೈಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಹಾರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಬೀ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಥರ ಇವು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವು ಹಾರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Many insects have different stages in their lives. When they hatch from the egg, they look different. They change their shape and size many times before they become fully grown. Let's see one example. Life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis or caterpillar. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. This series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis. Now let us understand, where do insects live? We can find some insects like ants in the soil. Insects such as honeybees and butterflies are found on plants. Cockroaches are found inside houses. We can find them in cracks of walls, wastewater pipes, and so on. During the day, they hide in dark corners of the houses. They come out at night. Insects like bees and ants live in colonies. Colonies are group of insects living together. Children, have you ever seen ants or beehives? These are the colonies of ants and honeybees. We can find different types of ants in and around our houses. Certain kinds of ants make their colonies on trees. Children, why do some insects hide? Yes, they hide to protect themselves from their enemies. Yes, children, this is about today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.